the Anjanadri Academy. So let us solve the exercise 10.2 of quadratic equation. The very first question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. How to do the factorization method? Let us take the problem. X square minus 3x, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here we need to take the coefficient of x square is 1 and multiply 1 with minus 10. 1 with minus 10, how much it is? Minus 10. So when we multiply, we need to take two numbers. When we multiply two numbers, the product of two numbers should be how much? Minus 10, and the addition of these two numbers should be how much? The middle term, that is minus 3. We need to divide this minus 10 into two numbers so that their product will be minus 10 and their sum will be minus 3. See here, for this let us divide 5, right? 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 5 into 2 is 10, but 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, but 5 minus 2 is how much? Plus 3. We don't want this. Minus 5 plus 2, how much it is? Minus 3. It is correct. And minus 5 into 2 is also minus 10. Therefore it is correct answer. Therefore we split this number as x square minus 5x plus 2x is giving how much? Minus 3. That is minus 10 is equal to 0. And among these you take x common, and among these you take 2 common. X into the bracket x minus 5 plus 2 into the bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0. And among these two, what is the common? X minus 5. And if I take x minus 5 common, what remains here? X. And here what remains? Plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0 one time. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. As it is a quadratic equation, here we get two solutions. Therefore x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 5 is the answer. Let us go for the second question now. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 2 and minus 6. When we multiply 2 into minus 6, how much it is? Minus 12. I need to divide into two numbers a and b. When we multiply, we should get minus 12, and we add them, we should get plus 1. Here plus 1 is there, right? See here, let us take the two numbers 12. See, 2 1s are 2 3 2 6 are 2 3s are 2 3 1s are 4 3 to the 6 6 to the 12. But 4 into 3 is giving how much? 12. And 4 into minus 3 is giving how much? Minus 12. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. That is 4 plus minus 3. When we add them, we are getting plus 1, right? So therefore this, here what happens now? Plus x is this. 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here I need to take 2 common. Here I will take 3 common. 2x I will take common. Here what remains? X plus 2. 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into 2 is 4x. Here I will take 3 common. Here what happens? X plus 2. Whatever the bracket common, so whatever the terms are there in the bracket, the same terms will come here, should come here. See here what I take common? X plus 2 again in the whole equation. Here what remains? 2x. Here what remains? Minus 3 is equal to 0. See, x plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to my plus 3 divided by 2. X is equal to plus 3 by 2. So this is the answer for the given equation. Let us move for the next question now. See, the next question is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. See here, I'll multiply this 5 root 2 with root 2. 5 root 2 into root 2. How much it is? Already you know root a into root a is giving how much? A. So this becomes 5 into 2. How much it is? 10. I need to take two numbers such that their product should be how much? 10, and their addition should be how much? 7. 2 into 5 is giving 10, and 2 plus 5 is giving 7. See, therefore root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. See, 2x plus 5x becomes 7x, right? See here what I do, root 2x square. See, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. I am going to write it as root 2 into root 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here what I take common? Root 2x I'll take common. What remains here? X plus root 2 common, plus here I'll take 5 common. What remains here? X plus root 2 is equal to 0. See again what is the common here in the above equation? X plus root 2 whole common, x plus root 2 whole common. What remains here? Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Let us make x plus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus root 2, therefore x is equal to minus root 2. Here x is equal to root 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. This is the answer for the given question. Let us move for the next question now. See here 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Here let us take LCM. What happens? LCM is 8. Here LCM is 8. Here it becomes into root 2 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 1. See here 8 into 2 is 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. To take 8 to the right hand side, what happens? 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0 into 8 is 0. See 16 into 1, that is this 16, and 16 into 1 is how much? 16. I need to multiply with two numbers, that is minus 4, minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 is equal to plus 16. Minus 4 is giving minus 8. Therefore, it can be split into 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here I will take 4x common. If I take 4x common, what remains? 4x. Here 4 into 4 16, x into x square minus 4x. If I take common here, it means 1. Here I'll take minus 1 common. Here what comes? 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 into 4x is minus 4x, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. That is 4 into 4 16, x into x square minus, as it is 4 into x, that is 4x into 1 is 4x. Here whole 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 is common here, 4x minus 1. I'll take common. Again 4x remains here and minus 1 remains here is equal to 0. What happens now? I'll make 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This is the answer for the given equation. This is the answer for the given equation. We are getting two equal solutions. Let us go for the next question. 100 x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here I multiply 100 into 1, that is 100 into 1 is equal to 100. How will you multiply these two numbers? By multiplying you will get 100, you should get 100, and by adding them you should get minus 20, that is minus 10 into minus 10 is giving you plus 100 minus 10 is giving you minus 20. So therefore I split these numbers as 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. I'll take 10 x common here, it remains a 10x minus 1. I'll take minus 1 common here, 10x minus 1, again it becomes minus 1 into 10x is minus 10x, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 is 1. 10x into 10x is 100x square. 10x into minus 1 is minus 10x. Here 10x minus 1 is common, 10x minus 1 is common. Again what remains here, 10 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, and again 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 10. 10x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 10. See, therefore we are getting two equal roots here. We are getting two equal roots. This is the answer. X is equal to 1 by 10 and x is equal to 1 by 10. So this is the answer. Let us move for the next question now. John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them have lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. So I would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Let x be the number of marbles with John. Let x be the number of marbles with John. Therefore John and Jeevanti together they are having 45. If John is having x number of marbles, then Jeevanti should be having how much? That is 45 minus x. Therefore 45 minus x be the number of marbles with Jeevanti. That is, John is having and Jeevanti is having. John is having x marbles and Jeevanti is having 45 minus x, and they lost 5 marbles. Lost 5 marbles. Therefore what happens? X minus 5, and she also loses x, 45 minus x and minus 5. It becomes what? 40 minus x. The product of their marbles now, that is given after losing 5 marbles, what happens? X minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to how much he had given? That is 124 he had given. To multiply them, x into the bracket 40 minus x minus 5 into the bracket 40 minus x is equal to 124. X into 40 is 40x minus x into x square, minus 5 into 40 is minus 200, minus into minus plus 5x is equal to 124. 40x plus 5x is 45x minus x square minus 200 minus 124 is equal to 0. See here what happens here? 45x minus x square minus 324 is equal to, multiply whole equation by minus 5 multiplied by negatives, and what happens? X square minus 45x plus 324, because I need x square plus. Here by multiplying 1 into 324 we get 324. We need to divide the two numbers 324. 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 1s are 3 2s are 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. See here 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12 12 3s are 36. 36 into 9 is how much? 36 into 9 is giving how much? 329. But 36 and 9 should give 45, but minus 45 we need. Minus 36 into minus 9 is giving 324, minus 36 minus 9 is giving minus 45. X square minus 9x minus 36x plus 324 is equal to 0. I need to change, and here x I'll take common and here I'll take 36 common. X into the bracket x minus 9, here I'll take 36 bracket common, x minus 9. 36 into 9 is giving 324. Again I'll take a common here in the above equation. What is the common? X minus 9 is the common. x minus the 9 is the common, and x minus 36 is equal to 0. X minus the 9 is equal to 0. X minus 36 is equal to 0. X is equal to 9. X is equal to 36 is the answer. Therefore x is equal to 39, x is equal to 36. So therefore the number of marbles John is having either 9 or 36. John is having how many marbles? John is having 36 marbles and or 9 marbles. Let us move for the next question now. Before that, if John is having 9 marbles, then Jivanti, this is with the John. Jivanti is how much? 45 minus 9, how much? That is 36. If John is having 36, Jivanti will be having 9 marbles. That is 45 minus 36, that is 9 marbles. Okay, so these are the two possible ways. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced in a day. Let x be the number of toys produced. Let x be the number of toys produced in a day. So therefore, what is the given here? Cost of each toy. What he had given is equal to 55 minus x. And if we multiply the number of toys with the cost, the total cost he was given is rupees 750. Given what he had given, x into the bracket 55 minus x is equal to 750. If we multiply the number of toys with the cost, we will be getting how much? 750 rupees. See here, we multiply x into 55, that is 55x, minus x into x is x square, that is equal to 750. I'll take a common 55x minus x square minus 750 is equal to 0. I'll take minus common here. It becomes x square minus 55x plus 750. I am changing the sign, minus to plus. What happens now? Here 750, I need to take the 750. How to divide this 750? Let us do this. 5 ones are 5 5s are, and this is 5 3s are, and you check this one, 5 into 5, 25 into 30, how much it is? 750. 30 and minus 25, minus 30 minus 25, how much it is? 750. How much it is? Minus 25 minus 30, it is 350. Minus 25 minus 30 is minus 55. Therefore x square minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. Here I'll take x common, here I'll take 30 common, here I'll take x minus 25, here I'll take 30 common. X minus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 25 and x minus 30 is equal to 0. See, therefore x minus 25 is equal to 0, x minus 30 is equal to 0, x is equal to 25, x is equal to 30. Therefore the cost of each toy is equal to 55 minus 25, that is 30, or 55 minus 30, that is 25, either this or this. And the number of toys produced will be 25 or it will be 30. Either there are two possibilities, either 25 or 30 are the number of toys, or cost will be 30 and cost will be 25. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182 and product is 182. From the two numbers, let x and y be the two numbers, let x and y be the two numbers, let x and y be the two numbers. What you had given in the problem, x plus y is equal to 27, x into y is equal to 182. See here, can I write y is equal to 27 minus x now? Therefore, put those values, x into y is how much, 27 minus x is equal to 182. See, x into 27, that is 27x, minus x into x is x square, which is equal to 182. I take x square to that side, x square, I take 27 to that side, minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0, plus 182 is equal to 0. See here, I am taking 182 into 1 into 182, how much it is, 182. Here I will take 182. See, 2 ones are 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are here 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 7, 2s are 14 and 13, 14 13s are here. We will get 14 into 13, how much you get, minus 14 into 13, how much, x square minus 13x minus 14x, how much it is, minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Here I take x common, here I take 14 common, x into what, x minus 13, here I take minus 14 common, x minus 13, how much it is, that is minus 14 into x is minus 14x, minus into minus plus 14 into 13 is 182. That is, now here what is the common, x minus 13, x minus 14, x minus 14 is equal to 0, x minus 13 is equal to 0, x minus 14 is equal to 0, x is equal to 13, x is equal to 14. So therefore what is the answer, x is equal to 13, x is equal to 14. The two numbers are x is equal to, if x is equal to 13, y is equal to how much, 27 minus x, 27 minus 13, how much it is, 14. Or if x is equal to 14, y is equal to 27 minus 14, how much it is, 13, y is equal to 13, y is equal to 13, here y is equal to 14. Let us move for the next question now. Find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. We know that consecutive numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6, 28, 29. See, if we add 1 to the previous number, it becomes consecutive numbers, and positive numbers more than that. He is asking positive integers. Let x and x plus 1 be the two positive consecutive integers. Given, what is the problem, given what he has given the sum of whose squares, x square, x plus 1 square, their square is how much had given, 365. See here, x square, here you apply a plus b bracket square formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, how much it is, x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1, it is equal to 365. X square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 365. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. Here, what happens now? You take, can I divide whole equation by 2, how much you get, x square plus x minus 1, 5, 1 7, how much you get, minus 1, 8, 2 is equal to 0. Again you take minus 1 into 1 into minus 182, how much it is? Minus 182. See, minus 182, that is 182 you take here. See, 2 ones are 2 nines are 2 ones are 7 ones are 7 threes are 7 twos are 14 and 13. Here what to do? X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Here I take x common, here I take minus 13 common, here I take minus 13 common. Here what happens? X into the bracket x plus 14, here I take minus 13 into the bracket x plus 14 is equal to 0. I take x plus 14 and here x minus 13 is equal to 0. X plus 14 is equal to 0. X minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 14. X is equal to 13. Here he is asking the positive integers. Therefore x is equal to 13 is the one number, and x plus 1, that is 13 plus 1 is equal to 14 is the another number. Therefore two numbers, two conjugate numbers are 13 and 14. This is the answer for the question. Next one, what he has given in the problem? The altitude of a right triangle. The right triangle. Let us take the right triangle. The altitude, this is the right triangle. The altitude, he has asking about altitude and base. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. He given on the other two sides. Altitude is given how much? If it is less than 7 centimeter, let's imagine x be the base. X be the base is equal to x, and altitude how much had given? X minus 7. Therefore altitude is equal to how much he had given? Altitude is equal to x minus 7. And by Pythagoras theorem we can apply 13 square is equal to x square plus x minus 7 bracket square. Hypotenuse square is equal to what? A, B, C. AC square is equal to what? AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. Here you simplify this, 169, that is x square. Here A minus B bracket square formula you apply. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here x square plus 7 square is 49 minus 2 into x into 7. See here, 2x square plus 49 minus 14x, that is 169. You take 169 to the left hand side, what happens? 2x square right hand side, 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. Here what happens? 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. You take 2 common here. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Minus 60 is equal to 0. So this is the answer now. See here, 60, how will you divide this? Minus 60, 1 into minus 60, 1 into minus 60, how much it is? Minus 60. See, 60 can be 2 ones are 2 threes are 0, 2 ones are 2 fives are, see, and 3 fives are 5 ones are, 2 to the 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 into 5 is 60, 12 into 5 is 60, but minus 12 plus 5 is how much? Minus 7. Here what I do? X square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Here we take x into the bracket x minus 12 plus 5 into the bracket x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. What happens from x is equal to 12, x is equal to minus 5 is the answer. X is equal to 12 and x is equal to 5. But x heights cannot be distances cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 12 is the answer. Base is how much? Base is equal to 12 centimeter. Altitude is equal to, it is 5 centimeter less than this. 12 minus 5, how much it is? 7 centimeter. 12 minus 12 minus 7, how much it is? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Therefore other two sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. That is 13 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. This is the answer for the question. Now the next one is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day, and it was observed on a particular day that the cost of the production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Let x be the number of pottery articles produced in a day. It is observed that on a particular day the cost of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. That is, on that day, if the total cost is equal to 90, that is x multiplied by 2x plus 3, that is, it becomes what? 2x plus 3 here is equal to 90 rupees. 2x into x is 2x square plus 3x and is equal to 90. See here, 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Here 90 minus 10, 2 into minus 90 is how much? Minus 180. Here I'll multiply minus 180. Minus 180 it becomes, how to factorize it? Minus 180, how it becomes? 2 9s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 5s are 5 1s are, how much it is? 5 3s are 12, 5 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. What happens now? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 15, right? 15 into 12, 15 into 12 is a minus 180 and 15 minus 12 is plus 3, that is 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. See here, here I can't take common 2 here, 2x square, I'll make adjustment here, minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now here I can take 2 common, here I can take 2 common, 2x common, here I take 15 common, here 2x into the bracket x minus 6 plus 15, I'll take x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here x minus 6, here x minus 6, x minus 6 and it becomes 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Here x minus 6 is equal to 0, 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 6 here, and x is equal to minus 15 divided by 2. Minus can't be the answer, therefore the number of articles is equal to 6 and cost is equal to 3 more than twice its product. 3 plus 12, that is rupees 15. Cost of each toy is rupees 15 rupees. Therefore this is the answer. So this is the end of the the exercise 4.2. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share the channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.